Okay, well, I'm up in the loft for other reasons, but I thought while I'm here I should make a quick vid of the models or the kits I've got up in the loft. This is dedicated to Neil and Val, so at last you'll see the stock. These are the ones on to the left of me. There's 3 there. Just panning round, there's another bunch there. That's actually, can't pick it up on video, that's actually 2 deep. So there's another layer behind that one that you can see. Then we move over here. That's also 2 deep and goes up to there. I've had a quick count round and we are looking at 24 models. They're not all up here, there are some more downstairs. So now you know. And just following on from the video just now up in the loft, these are the others downstairs in the spare bedroom. There's a couple there. I'm panning over the back over there. Got some, and oh look Val, there's the twister. I'll just move that out of the way. There's a couple more down there. So I think the total's up at 24. So, all sorted. Cheers.